Hey everyone, we are back with another feature series, and in this video we are going to discuss the amazing feature of subscription box and how it can benefit the admin as well as customers. And in this plugin, subscriptions for WooCommerce Pro plugin, we will discuss how you can configure subscription box functionality. So basically, what is subscription box? Subscription box is basically a feature by which the admin can easily add multiple subscription in a one single subscription, and the customers can easily buy that subscription box in which there are multiple subscription. The benefit of having a subscription box is like the admin or the WooCommerce merchants can create personalized subscription box for customers based on their preferences or needs. So basically it will help offering unique and customizable box that will definitely add the value to the customer's experience, and definitely that will increase customer satisfaction and retention. That means the recurring revenue can be boosted significantly. So let's start with the video. So basically I have installed the Pro version of the plugin. So this functionality is also available in the free version but with some limitations. So let me show you how this will work. So firstly, let me show you what are the features available in the free plugin with this subscription box. So let me deactivate the Pro plugin, and here let me refresh this. So as you can see that in the free version you cannot create multiple subscription box. And one more thing, like let me click on all products. So this is the subscription box that I have created. So simply you can click on add new product, and here you can decide the name. So I have given this dummy name, and here you can add the product description. Next you have to scroll down, and here you can select like subscription box. But you can see that we are not able to select this subscription box because in the free version you can only create like one subscription box, and if you want to create multiple subscription box, so you need to have the Pro version. As you can see that we already have one subscription box, so that's why we cannot create the second subscription box. So we are on the front end, and here this is the subscription box that is already created. So when I will click on this, like I have added this and I have added this, but if I want to add multiple products in one subscription box, when I will click on add to subscription, if I want to add more quantity of this product in the subscription box, I cannot add it because in the free version you can add only one quantity of each product in subscription box. So let us enable the Pro version plugin, and now let me go to this add new product, and let me refresh this. Let me decide the name as new subscription box, and here when I will scroll down, so now I will get the option of adding a subscription box because we have activated the Pro version plugin. And then you can click on subscription box settings, and here you can decide the subscription box price. That means if you have written like 500, so no matter how many products you have added, but the price will be calculated on the basis of subscription box price. And this feature manage subscription box price through all selected products. So this feature is available in the Pro version of the plugin. But if the admin wants to manage the subscription box price through all the selected products added in the subscription box, so he can click on this tick box. So first let me explain you how this will work. And here subscription per interval and subscription expiry interval are same while creating the subscription, like how you want to decide the interval and expiry interval, like I want this to be recurring per month. So I have decided the subscription per interval for this box should be each month, and here you can select the expiry interval. And then we have also added this sub setting where the admin can decide like what type of product he wants to add in that subscription box. So here he can select like products on the basis of products or categories. So if he selects categories, so he need to decide the categories, and if he selects the product, so here he can decide the product. So let me decide, like I have decided like this, and let me decide one more product, and let me add one more. So all 3 subscriptions will be added in this box, and the customers can directly purchase in one go. And next is box step label. So if you want to give the label to your box step, like here as you can see that this, so if you want to customize this label, so from here you can easily decide the box step label. So I have decided like this, I want to show this box step label. So once I have done this, So let me add product images also, and then let me click on create. So the subscription box has been created, and let me click on view product. So this is the subscription box that we have created just now, and here this is the subscription interval, that is 1 month. And here you can see that the subscription expiry is unlimited because we have not set any expiry. And here let me click on subscription box new features. So as you can see that here you can also customize the name, like when I will go to backend, and here you can also customize the add to cart text for subscription box, and also you can decide the place order text for subscription box. So here let me customize this. So I have customized this text, and I have customized the place order text also. So let me click on save settings, and now let me go to this front end, and here let me refresh this. Here you can see that the text has been customized. One more thing, if the admin has enabled the functionality to manage the price through selected products, so then its price will not be visible on the shop page or single product page, because the price will be calculated based on the customer selection of product for the subscription box. So that's why here the subscription box price is not showing, because the price will be calculated based on the product added by the customer in the subscription box. And one more thing the admin needs to keep in mind, like the customers can purchase only one subscription box at a time, and once the subscription box has been added into their cart, no other products can be added at the same time. Either subscription box can be added or normal product can be added. And once the subscription box is added into the cart, then it is not possible to modify the subscription box on the cart. And if the customers want to modify, then firstly he needs to remove it from the cart and then add new subscription box based on their choice of selection of the products. So here as you can see that these are the products in this subscription box, and here the customers can add multiple quantities, like no matter how many the customer is adding, so the price will be $500. So this is the subscription box that I have created, that I had created previously. So you can see that multiple subscription box can be created with the pro version. Like here when I will click on this, and here when I will click on add to buy now, so here the customer can easily click on this and can add multiple quantities. And here as you can see that here the price is coming on the basis of product. So this is because when I will go to edit product section, and let me go to all products, and here this is the subscription box that was previously created. And in this subscription box settings, I have selected the option of manage subscription box price through all selected products. So the price will be calculated based on the products added. Like I have added only one magazine subscription and one podcast subscription. So the price calculated based on the products that have been added in the subscription box by the admin. So that is $53. Like that means the price of magazine subscription is $40 and podcast subscription is $13. So that accounts the total of $53. So let me add this add to subscription. So here it has been added, and the customers can click on this to see the attached products. And here let me proceed to checkout and place the order. Order has been received. So let us go to backend, and here in this subscription table, so this is the product name that is coming subscription box. So here the admin will see the name of the subscription box, not the products that have been added in the subscription box, and the recurring amount, that is $53, and here the username and the payment method. So this is how this functionality of subscription box works. If you are having any queries regarding the plugin functionalities, so you can mention your queries in the comment section. The links to the product have been mentioned in the video's description. You can check and get all the details. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and press the bell notification icon to get all the latest update related to our channel. Until the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.